All 5 ducklings.
Ha ha! Ha ha!
5 little ducks went out to play over the rainbow hill one day. Mother duck said,
Quack, 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 quack.
all 5 ducklings came running back.
Hey, oh, oh!
4 ducklings returned. 4 ducklings returned. 4 little ducks swam through the pond, past the flowers and beyond. Mother duck called,
Quack, 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 quack.
but only 4 came waddling back.
Oh!
3 ducklings splashed. 3 little ducks jumped in the stream. Bubbles sparkled like a dream. Mother duck called,
Quack, 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 quack.
only 3 ducklings came back.
Oh!
2 ducklings roam. 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 2 little ducks went out to roam over the hills away from home. Mother duck called,
Quack, 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 quack.
only 2 ducklings came back. 1 duckling lost. 1 little duck went out to play over the moon and far away. Mother duck called,
Quack, 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 quack.
but just 1 duckling found the way back. No ducklings left. No little ducks went out that day. Mother duck cried near the bay. Then she called,
Quack, 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 quack.
and all 5 ducklings came running back.
Happy family dance.
Mother duck smiled, quack, quack, hooray. All 5 ducklings back to stay. They splashed and played in the shiny stream, happily dancing in a sunny gleam.